Welcome back. In this final lesson, we'll bring everything together by helping you build your own personalized 30-day meal plan. This is where your knowledge turns into a system, one that fits your lifestyle, goals, and preferences. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency, flexibility, and sustainability. Let's start with step 1. Define your goal clearly. What do you want to achieve over the next 30 days? Whether it's weight loss, more energy, muscle gain, or simply getting organized with meals, clarity is key. Write your goal somewhere visible. It'll guide every choice you make. Step 2. Determine your daily calorie and macro needs. Use your TDEE as your baseline, then adjust depending on your goal. For weight loss, create a small calorie deficit. For muscle gain, add a modest surplus. Keep your macros balanced, about 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% fats, or whatever ratio suits your plan. Step 3. Outline your weekly meal structure. Decide how many meals and snacks you'll eat each day. A simple framework is 3 main meals and 1 or 2 snacks. Keep the timing consistent. Your body loves routine. Step 4. Create a master meal list. List your favorite breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Include both quick options and ones you can batch prep. Mix in a few new recipes to stay motivated. Step 5. Plan your grocery list. Review your week's menu and organize your list by category: produce, protein, pantry, and frozen items. This saves time and prevents waste. Step 6. Prep ahead each week. Choose a day like Sunday or Wednesday for batch cooking. Prep proteins, chop veggies, and cook grains in bulk. Store them in labeled containers so you can assemble meals quickly. Step 7. Balance variety with simplicity. You don't need 30 completely different meals, just rotate a few staples. For example, alternate between 2 breakfasts, 3 lunches, and 4 dinners each week. It keeps things interesting without overwhelming you. Step 8. Plan for flexibility. Life happens, so build in open meals for eating out or trying something spontaneous. Flexibility prevents burnout and helps you stay consistent long-term. Step 9. Include your favorite foods. Don't make your plan so strict that it feels like a diet. Add treats in moderation and practice mindful eating. It's about balance, not restriction. Step 10. Check your portion control. Use visual cues or containers to guide serving sizes. Over time, this becomes intuitive. Step 11. Stay hydrated and track progress. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily and note how you feel. Tracking energy, mood, and performance can be more valuable than tracking calories. Step 12. Prep theme days. Try Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, or Batch Cook Sunday. These create structure and make planning easier. Step 13. Reflect weekly. At the end of each week, review what worked and what didn't. Adjust recipes, portion sizes, or grocery habits for the next week. Step 14. Use accountability tools. Keep a meal planning journal or use apps to log your meals. Visualizing your progress keeps you motivated. Step 15. End with sustainability. After 30 days, the goal is not to start over, it's to keep going. You'll know what meals you love, how much food you need, and how to stay consistent. That's your personalized system. Here's your quick recap. Set your goal, calculate your needs, create a weekly structure, prep ahead, and review weekly. In 30 days, you'll have a rhythm that feels effortless and empowering. You've built the foundation for a lifetime of confident, stress-free eating. Congratulations, your meal planning journey has just begun.